Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to use a DMAX and DMIN function. When you have a huge set of database and you want to extract the maximum value or a minimum value based on certain criteria, then DMAX and DMIN functions are going to be really handy in extracting the data. Let's get started. I have a table here with brand, color, quantity, price and total. From this, we are going to take what is the criteria that we are looking for. At the very first level, let's do a DMAX function. Pass in DMAX function. When you type DM, automatically it comes in. Hit tab, then the function opens up. Where is the database? The database is your entire table. Please be assured you choose the header also. Comma. Field is where you are going to get your answers. So let's say in this case, I'm looking for the price of the product. Where is the criteria that it should look for? The criteria is this particular table wherein it should look for a Tupperware product which is black in color and greater than or equal to 10 quantity. When I close and hit enter, you can see we have gotten 900. We have asked for the price only. So here it is Tupperware black 10 quantity. So here we have specified greater than or equal to 10 quantity and 900. In the same way, we can go and extract it for minimum also. Pass in DMIN function. When you type DM, comes in tab, select the database. Here we will find out the price. In this scenario, we want lesser than 10 quantity. Select this, close and hit enter. You will have the answer. Is it that you can decide only the price? No, we can get it for total also. I'm hitting function F2 key to edit. So instead of a price, I'm giving it as a total. Hit enter. You will have 9,000 for the black greater than or equal to 10 quantity. In the same way, here also we can extract the total. Hit F2 key to edit it. In place of price, I am giving total and we have got it for 6,400. In the same way, you can change the brand also. Let's say, let me take Milton here. Here, let me change it to lesser than or equal to 6. When I hit enter, you will have the answer. So we have found out the maximum value for Milton as well. And here I'm going to find the minimum value for cello. In place of color, let me give orange. And in the quantity lesser than or equal to 10, we have gotten minimum of 4,200. Here we have got 5,600 and 4,200. It has got the minimum value. This is the speciality of extracting the value using a DMAX and DMIN function. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more such videos. Good day.